Welcome to Wealth in Your Sleep, your source for online success. My name is Wes. Today is day 93 in my case study where I'm using My Lead Gen Secret to promote Clickbank offers. So if you don't know what these two systems are, I will link a short video up above. Go ahead, check that video out, and then come back and watch this video. So I'm just going to jump right into it and show you if I did or did not get a sale yesterday. I did. Okay, I got a sale for $48.62. You see right here on the 9th. And before I jump into that, I just want to explain what I used to get this sale. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so as you know, I'm using My Lead Gen Secret to promote ClickBank offers. For those that don't know what these systems are, My Lead Gen Secret is an all-in-one platform. Okay, so there's a $30 one-time setup fee and then $30 a month, and we get what you get with this system is 100 business opportunity leads daily, and you get a built-in mailing system. Okay, so that's an emailing platform, and you can send emails out once every 24 hours. So you can only send one email out every 24 hours. Okay. And there's training to use the system within the platform. Okay. And there's also a 5-level referral program. So each level you can earn a different amount. So level 1 is $5, and then level 2 is $4, and then $3, $2, and $1. Okay, so referring people to the system does have its benefits, and ultimately, if you get 6 referrals, the system will pay for itself. Okay, so within that 5-level referral program, there is an affiliate section where you can get all your pre-written emails. So there's 10 pre-written emails, and there's also some more affiliate tools like banners and short ads. Okay. And once you get at least one referral, you get 100 bonus leads daily. Okay. So if you're looking to get started, the very first link in the video description will get you started, and it does include my bonuses. Okay. So let's move on to the next slide. So we talked about My Lead Gen Secret. Now let's talk about Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace, which is free to join. Okay, so there is a link in the description if you want to create your free account. I highly recommend you do. There is 24 niche categories. Okay, so there's 24 different categories that you can promote from, whether it be health, fitness, diet, business, e-marketing and e-business, which is what we use to promote because they are business opportunity leads. And the system also pays out weekly on Fridays. Okay, so the pay periods go from Wednesday until Tuesday midnight Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so on Wednesdays we're able to know what our paychecks are. Okay, so let's move down to the last slide. So as you saw, I do have my own bonuses. So if you were looking to get started using this platform, it would include over 1,000 Make Money Online pre-written emails that you can use to get your referrals, or you could use it for any of your other offers that you're promoting. You also get 300 plus high converting vendor emails. Now, these are emails that the vendors have been emailing me 4 new email swipes for each offer every single week, going on, I think, 28 or 29 weeks now. And I've compiled all of those emails and I've converted them and put them in a folder that you can quickly access. Okay. And I've also added a folder in there that as I'm getting sales, I'm putting those sales swipes in there. And then also I've compiled some video training to help you get started so that way you can start seeing results effective immediately. Okay. And then of course you'll get access to my private cloud drive. Now this private cloud drive is the Google Drive, but it's set to private. And once you join my team, then I will give you access through I'll give your email access, and you'll get this is where I'm adding all the new content. So as they send me a new set of email swipes, I'll convert them and then I'll add them there, as well as my sales swipes. I'll add them there as well. And then I have a log, a text file log in there. So anytime I add anything new or make any changes, I will update that accordingly. Okay, so let's go back in and we'll go back to Clickbank right here. So today is Wednesday. So I do know my paycheck for Friday, which is going to be $210.31. Now, this is a new high paycheck, new record high for me, and this was all within 1 week. Okay, so I've had paychecks that weren't even this amount, and it was for 2 weeks. Okay, so let's go into it. So you can see my my sale yesterday was for $48.62. So let's go and see exactly where it came from. So I use tracking in all my affiliate links so that way I know where my sales are coming from because I do have 10 accounts, okay, in which I'll talk more about, here when I get into my spreadsheet. But I have 10 accounts and I've stacked them and I add tracking. So I include the account number in the beginning of my tracking, as well as where it came from. So this account is specifically only for My Lead Gen Secret. So you'll only see My Lead Gen Secret sales from this account, this Clickbank ID. And I'll usually put the job variation or what offer or what vendor the sale came from, and then the date I sent the email, okay, or wherever I was promoting it. So this sale came from my second account for the watching movies swipe, okay, and this came from an email that I sent on August 8th. Okay, and I got this sale over here. You could see on August 9th. And so there was an original and there was an upsell, and it was for Right App reviews. Okay, so my two main offers that I've been promoting have been paying social media jobs and Right App reviews. Okay, they're the same vendor. They have four different products that they have on the marketplace. They're some of the best products in that niche category, and they have probably the most affiliate resources out of any vendor that I've seen. Okay, so let's go in and check my tracking. So my 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 affiliate links or your affiliate links or the affiliate links have your Clickbank ID in them, and Clickbank is able to track all the activity. So every time somebody clicks on that link, it goes to your analytics section for that Clickbank ID. Okay, and you're able to see that on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, however you want to view it. And you can view it by vendor, tracking ID, or even by country. Okay, so this is good to know because it lets you know the interest of your leads. So if you're not getting a fair amount of clicks, or if your clicks or your hops start to go down, then maybe your leads are not interested in this offer, or maybe they're losing interest. It's just a good way to kind of analyze what's happening with your leads, okay? And then also you're able to see where your sales are coming from. Okay, so so yeah, I got my sale. So I had my upsell amount, my original, my upsell, and then my total. Okay, so earnings per click, 5 cents. Okay, so there was about 927 hops yesterday, and um, about 185 hops per order form impression. Okay, so anytime somebody's viewing one of these landing pages, there is a pop-up box that comes up, and if somebody puts in their email address, that is an order form impression. And if they put their information in there, then the vendor will follow up and send their own emails for all of their offers and help you try to get that sale. Okay. So sometimes you'll see, let's see. Okay. No, I didn't have any, but sometimes you'll see that when you go to like tracking ID, okay, you will see that there's 926 hops here. But if you come up here, there's 927 hops. It's because the vendor send an email out on your behalf to try to follow up with that lead, and they clicked on that link. Okay, so that's why there's a difference up here than there is in when you try to sort by tracking ID. Okay, so let's move forward into my monthly stats. Okay, so this is from the beginning of August, Okay, so far 13,089 total hops, and I've earned $230.71 in sales. Okay, so my hops kind of declining, but that didn't change anything. I still got a sale with an upsell yesterday, so really good to see there. Okay, and then of course I am also tracking um, my subscriber count. Okay, so my goal for this month for August is to hit 350 YouTube subscribers. So I've got a fair amount of YouTube subscribers so far. I want to say there's about 15 or 20 subscribers this month so far, and only the 9 or 10 days. Okay, so thank you so much, everybody that subscribed to my channel, whether it was for this case study or any of my other content. I do appreciate it. And if you're watching this video now and you're not subscribed to my channel, you can either hit this little red icon down here below, or you can go out of the full screen mode and subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and of course hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my videos when they come out. Okay. So yeah, really awesome there. I really do appreciate everybody that is following me. I don't take any of you for granted. And if you do have any questions, comments, or any good feedback, I do appreciate it. It really does help my video too. So post some comments, ask questions, suggestions, anything. Okay, so let's go into my stats, my spreadsheet stats. So I do track daily and monthly, so that way I can compare, and I have all these conditional formatting in here that changes the color of the numbers, so that way um, I have it set to meet my goals, and if it's underneath my target, so I have a target, which is what I'm hoping to hit on a daily basis, and then I have a goal. So my goal for this month is 1,200 hops a day. My target is 1,000. So yesterday it did not hit my target of 1,000. It only got 927, but I did get a sale. So really good to see there. And if you remember, or if you're just tuning in, I started my case study in May. Okay, so this is when I got 6 brand new accounts. I got my 5th account on the 4th, and accounts 6 through 10 on, is it 6 through 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 6 through 10 on the 9th. Okay, and that's when I started my case study. Okay, so comparatively, I am doing very well on my average. And if I stay consistent, I will exceed my second goal of hitting 37,200 hops for the month. Okay, so let's go to my sales. So as you saw, my sales, I have $230.71 in sales. So that is gross income. Okay, so that means that's net income is the paychecks that I'm going to be receiving, and gross is all my sales. Okay, so I've gotten my sales from 4 different accounts, which is really cool. They're not just all coming from one account. So my first account, I got one on the 3rd with 2 upsells. My second account, I just got one yesterday. It had an upsell. My sale for my 4th account came on the 5th, which was just an original. And then my sale for my 8th account came on the 6th, just a few days ago, and that came with a bump. Okay, so really cool here. Doing really good so far in my sales. Okay, so let's go into my accounting. So I have all my accounts when I created them, all my accumulating current to date lead count. Okay, so I have a total of 275,500 leads. Now I do have prior history with my lead gen secret before I started my case study, and because of that, I've separated my prior stats to my case study only stats. Okay, so this is when I started my case study with all 10 accounts, and that's when I started promoting only Clickbank. So prior to the case study, I was off and on promoting Clickbank products along with all the other tools and programs that I was promoting outside of Clickbank. Okay, so I'll kind of break it down how I have it set up here. I have my monthly fees, so it costs me $300 a month to have all 10 accounts with my lead gen secret, but it doesn't really cost me that. I'll get into that here in just a minute. Okay. I have my net income, which are the paychecks I receive on Fridays from Clickbank. So far, I'm almost met last month's paychecks, which is really awesome. I only received 2 paychecks last month, okay? And I've received 2 paychecks this month. And if I keep if the trend stays consistent, if the trend stays consistent, then I will exceed that, hopefully. No guarantees. Now, my gross income is my sales, okay? So I knew going when I started my case study that as you're starting to send out your emails, you're reaching more and more and more people, and you're reaching more interested people as time goes, and you're also creating some trust with the leads that are interested, okay? So most people statistically don't buy anything the very first time they see it. Very few people do. And studies show that it takes people about 7 to 10 times on average before somebody actually buys or goes through with a decision. And most decisions are based on emotion, okay? So that is a huge tip. Okay, so if you can reach your leads emotionally, then you can probably get them to convert. Okay, so far I have 3 payouts that I can request from my lead gen secret 5-level referral program. Okay, so as you need to hit a $30 threshold, so a minimum of $30 before you can request your payouts. Now, this is added up from new members as well as recurring payments. Okay, so people that have been underneath you on a month-to-month basis. So this is residual income. Okay, and about I think 7 of my accounts don't meet that $30 threshold on a monthly basis. So I'm only able to request I think three or four on a regularly monthly basis. And so you'll see it will vary from month to month. So last month I was able to request payouts from 9 accounts, and my 8th account finally met that threshold. So I was able to request it this month, but I haven't requested it yet. I'll request it towards the end of the month, probably the 24th or 25th of the month, when all my recurring subscriptions for all my members have paid their subscription and it has been added to my account. So far I have accounts 1, 2, and 8 that I can request payouts, which adds up to $113. Okay, so really cool there. And then my total hops. So far my total net income, that's my MLGS income and my Clickbank income combined, I am already at 164.9% return on investment. That is almost a 65% profit. Okay, so really awesome there. $194, almost $195 in profit this month so far, and it's only what 10 days in. Really cool there. So I have my total stats prior and current right here, and then I've separated my case study only stuff. Okay, so really cool to see that my total profit is going up and up and up and up, and pretty soon it's going to be in the thousands. Okay, so that's what you need to know, is this is a long game. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This isn't you sign up for a system, you send a few emails, and you get rich. This is not how it works, okay? It's email marketing. It takes time. You need to reach people. These are cold leads, okay? They've opted in to receive business opportunities, but no specific opportunity, okay? So you're providing them different business opportunities, and as they become more familiar with your opportunities, they are likely to convert, okay? So don't switch your opportunities too regularly. Okay, so that there's a few problems that I see a lot of members have, and I see this in the private Facebook group where people, they assume that just by sending out emails with affiliate links that you can get sales. That is incorrect. Okay, you're your emails need to be good. They need to be formatted good. They need to be properly linked. Okay. That you need to have some sort of signature. Okay. If you don't have a picture, if you don't have any way for somebody to contact you, these are things that people they need to know, like, and trust you, because email is probably one of the number one ways that people get scammed or they get viruses. So having some level of contact gives your leads some sort of trust that they can reach out to you maybe prior to converting. And they can reach out to you and be like, hey, I saw this email. What's it about? You can answer some few questions. You don't need to sell the system. You just need to let them know that it's legit, that you're a real person. If they have any questions, they can reach out to you. If you can't answer that, then you can just let them know, like, I'll look into it. I'll get back to you. No problem. Okay. And, uh, you know, what do your emails look like? Okay. So if you're just compiling a very, you know, close range email that's hard to read, it's very thick, people don't want to read a 6-page essay. Some people just want to read something that's very easy to read. People's attention spans are about what, 3 to 8 seconds. So if you can't capture them in about 3 to 8 seconds, they're probably not going to read your email. Okay. So, and then consistency. I see this a lot. Okay. People, they don't believe that this system, that you need to be consistent. You need to send out your emails every single day. Okay. This is a consistency game. You need to send it out every day. If you're going on vacation, find some time, go in the bathroom, take a break, maybe do it when everybody's sleeping. Okay. Find some time to send out your emails, because your consistency wins in this game. Okay. So, and then another thing I see is people um, not capturing the leads. Okay. So find a way to capture some leads. Try to capture them to your own private email marketing system, your autoresponder. Try to capture them so that way you can send up follow-up emails. So once you've captured them, they've become your own lead. Okay. So you have them as your own. They're a warmer lead. You can send emails to whatever offers you want. I recommend the offer that they opted into, but if they're not interested after about 10 to 14 emails, they might not be interested at all. And then, yeah, like I said, properly linking. Like, don't just throw your URL, your link, just plain right there. Make sure you're hyperlinking. Are you using buttons? Use buttons. Are your buttons too big? Make sure your buttons are properly sized. Okay. Are you using too much bold? Are you using too much italics? Too much underline? There's so many variables that people don't take into consideration. And if you want to learn more about email marketing, I have a free email marketing book in my free bonuses. So go read it. You're going to learn a lot from it. It's going to tell you what words not to use all sorts of the dollar signs. I see that in a lot of email swipes. Dollar signs, it's going to go to spams or promotions. Okay. So the likelihood of your lead getting that email to the inbox is slim. Okay. So if it doesn't get to the inbox, then they're not getting notified. If they're not getting notified, they're not going to see it. That's just plain and simple. So make sure you're properly linking, you're properly formatting, you're adding a proper signature, maybe even adding a quote to the bottom, an inspirational quote. Okay, that might help you. And ways of contact. Okay, so I know I've been kind of rambling on, but I really do like to help the people that follow my channel. So uh, it's about giving value back. Okay, so let's go back into my Lead Gen Secret 5-level referral program. Okay, so going back real quick, giving value back. If you found some value so far in this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit that like button, and of course, hit that bell icon so you get notified when my videos come out. I do greatly appreciate it if you do that. Okay, so there is the 5 level referral program, which I've had laid out here. I've built this spreadsheet. If you want a copy, there's a copy of the spreadsheet in the free bonuses. Go ahead, grab a copy and start tracking your own results. I've just kind of built this section to help you understand how the 5 level referral program works and how you can leverage it to get free leads. Okay, I'm almost at the point where I'm getting free leads. Okay, so I have 10 accounts and I've added all my referrals for each account, and I've stacked one account right underneath the other. And I've done this by grabbing the referral link from my dashboard on my home page in my lead gen secret. So if you click the first link in the description and create an account, you become my team member. Okay, when you become my team member, you get my bonuses, so don't worry about buying the upgrade. Okay, so there is a one-time offer upgrade. Don't buy it. Okay, you're going to get all of my bonuses. Okay, so it's only going to cost you $60 upfront and you get this awesome platform. Okay, and then if you want to scale up and you want to get bonus leads right away, add an account, grab that referral link. Okay, and then grab your referral link and then sign up using a different email address. That will create a second account. And that second account will earn you $5 up through your first account. Okay, so ultimately that second account only costs you $25. Okay, and if you got a referral under, so not only that, but you get your bonus leads. Okay, so now you're getting 200 leads to this account and you're getting 100 leads to this account. So that's 300. You went from 100 leads to 300 leads just by referring yourself and scaling up. Okay, so I understand that a lot of people can't afford this sort of scaling up right off the bat. No big deal. Get 1 or 2 accounts and scale up as you go. As you get, your first payout, set half of that aside, set half of that aside and put it aside, and as it builds up, reinvest, get another account. Okay, get a third account. That's what I did. Okay, I just put money aside and I started scaling up as time went by, and now I have 10 accounts and you can see that I'm in profit. Okay, 500, I earned all that money back and I'm in profit now. So people are like, why would you spend $300 a month on 10 accounts? Well, look, if you want to be a beast, you have to act like a beast. You have to be a beast. Okay? If you want big commissions, you gotta you gotta you have to scale up and invest in the products that are earning those commissions. And this is a system. Okay? Now, I'm gonna be the first to admit that the sales video for this program, it could use some updating. Okay. I'm not going to talk badly about it. I think this system is amazing and it's still converting. It's still bringing in people. I'm still getting referrals. So nothing bad to say. I do think it could use an update, um, but I have all sorts of additional funnels that you can use to promote. So if you don't want to use their affiliate links, I have all sorts of additional funnels all in my shared drive that you can utilize. Okay. So currently this is what I'm earning for each account. And like I said before, I'm not getting $30 on a monthly basis minimum for a lot of these accounts. Okay, so 7 to be exact. And so it's going to take me 2 months for me to request these payouts. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to request some of these payouts this month. So next month I will be able to request those, and it's going to be a very nice month next month. Okay, so that's the best way to look at that. So when I started, it was costing me only $132 because I did have a bunch of referrals, including my own. So it was only costing me $132 to pay for all 10 accounts. So I was earning quite a bit back from my referrals. And now I'm at the point where it's only costing me $17 for all 10 accounts. Okay. After I request my payouts. Now this is average. Okay. Obviously I can't request all my full payouts. So this is averaged out based on how much I'm earning on a monthly basis. So my total return on investment for my lead gen secret is 94.33% return on investment. So really cool there. And I've built this little chart here to show you how I've stacked my accounts. Now you can do it the same way if you want. Most people just stack one right underneath the other and just earn accordingly. But I've stacked mine in a way that I can earn all my referral rebates all the way up to my first account. Okay, so my second account is a level 1 referral. My third and fourth account are level 2 referrals. My level 3 or my sixth and fifth account are level 3 referrals. My seventh and ninth account are level 4 referrals, and my eighth and 10th account are level 1 referrals. Okay, and this is what I'm earning back only to my first account. Now this whole thing shifts downward on each level. So this will move down to my third account. Okay, so my third and fourth account are level 1 referrals to my second account. So you can see how that adds up. I've added them all in here, so they're all in here accordingly, and I'm able to earn all my referral rebates all the way back up to my first account. Okay, so um, I hope you understand that. If you don't, if you have some questions, go ahead, drop them down below. If you're looking to get started, click that very first link in the description. Send me an email, wes@wealthinyoursleep.com. I will get you access to all of your bonuses and help you get started with your video training. And if you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you see my videos when they come out, and share my videos, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Wes Lage, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.